I will check that worksheet I gave you yesterday, Monday.
Okay. Woo! Yes.
I was just going to show you some more examples right now that I should have shown yesterday.
And then explain the fraction.
Explain the fraction thing.
Is there any way you can write that differently, or does it have to be a fraction?
Classic, that thing I said when you add at the end, that doesn't work.
That was wrong.
Because then if you
Because when you set it to 0, it gives you a different.
Wrong.
What the flippity flop flop?
Wait, what? So he was saying that we had to add the y-intercept, right? So I added this,
SMU up by 8
and then just add it to
halftime.
SMU. Like for example, the first one was x plus 4 times x plus 1 squared, parentheses 6 minus 3 plus 7. Because that would give you -2. But if you set it equal to 0, it would get it off. So you have to do it 2 over 12 times x plus 4 times x.
Okay, so anyway, this one basically just shows yesterday what we learned. Look at all it has. If it's written in factored form, Jay, what do those tell you?
The x-intercept?
Thank you, Chandler. Yeah.
I don't know.
It is the x-intercepts, yes. It's like 1,
They don't add up, though.
-2.
There's no plus 1.
Yeah.
So,
There's not.
oh, it's minus.
It's the other way to look at it.
Hey, yeah, this is wrong.
Yeah.
Idiots.
1,
It's the x plus
-2.
1. The 4 and 3 work.
-3 isn't one of them even. Oh yeah, it's -3,
But there's
-2.
no -2.
That's the wrong one.
Yeah. It's supposed to be plus 1.
That should be x plus 1. Because there's the -1, there's the plus 1. It's backwards, right? Because you set it equal to 0. There's the -3, there's the +4. Let's see. Oh, would that change the y-intercept now? So if you plug in 0 for x, you should get the y-intercept, right? So that would be -1 times +1 times +3 times -4. That's -12. Yeah, that's 12. It works. So they just had that wrong. Okay, then, well, that one I don't think you need to see really.
These are polynomial graphs or equations.
These are polynomial graphs, yes. Okay, so like that, what would the equation be?
We know there's a third one in there somewhere.
Oh, I'll give you that one.
Yeah.
It's 3x minus 1.
What?
Oh, it's 1/3 x.
This is 1/3. It's up here above. You can't see it on the graph.
Plus 2. Plus
That would be x plus 1
x plus 2.
and x plus 2. Anything else?
You need the y-intercept, which is 2.
Hold on. If you multiply those out, you'd have x to the third, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
-1 then?
Yeah, because look, it's going up to the left and down to the right.
So it is.
Remember, end behavior, if it's odd, should
So it's a negative.
so it needs to have a negative in front.
Yeah.
Let's check that y-intercept too. It should be 2.
So
-1.
So plug in 0 for x, -1 times 1 times 2.
-2.
-2 with the negative in front though.
Positive.
Positive.
So it works.
So it works. Let's find one that doesn't work. Yeah, the odd ones. If you have just odd x to an odd power, it's always supposed to be down to the left and up to the right.
Unless it's negative, and then it's up to the left and down to the right.
Because the negative in front flips it like that.
Wait, so say on like number 35? Or, yeah, on the
Number 35 is a line, dingus.
Yeah, I know, but like,
Yes, it makes it go that way. Instead of that way.
Is that a whiteout
when you
star?
multiply the things
Who's
into number
happy?
4, that is a whiteout star.
34?
And he's really happy.
Okay, usually it's alright.
So all the requests for me to do your homework for you? No. Here's the next one. Up both sides, so it should be even. When it goes through the x-axis and gives a little shimmy like that,
That's a
3.
that's, yeah, to the third power. Or fifth, or seventh.
What?
But there's no way of really knowing. So on these ones, you're just supposed to write the minimum.
Gotcha.
So that's
Wait, no.
a third power.
No, look though, x plus 1, it's not third, John.
Did they get another one wrong? This is...
So,
Because the x plus 4 is third.
The x plus
You know it's a
4
hard
is...
concept?
I do.
People who make the questions screw up on it. They're wrong. Well, no, because then it gets multiplied to the squared, and then it gets multiplied to the third.
Hey, what the heck?
Oh, it's just x plus 1.
I was like, oh, hey, there's some good examples in here I can show them.
Pointing out they're wrong.
Wrong.
We are
Learning which ones are wrong.
they're good examples of what you need to do.
Give us a trick question on the test that's wrong.
No, because then I'll feel stupid and I'll be like,
Yeah, but when do you not
it
feel
doesn't
stupid?
work.
If you're like me, you feel stupid all the time.
Mr. Hopkins, do you have any tips?
I don't feel stupid all the time. I'm pretty good at that.
No.
Just this one?
If we did that all year, I'd
Give me like 2 days.
probably
Yeah.
stop.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
This class is a joke. Class. The kids. Not you.
Let's see if they get one right over here. Oh, they multiplied it out. Oh yeah, this one's actually correct. Yes. X plus 1 to the third. X minus 2 to the squared.
Yes.
Okay, I get that.
But hold on. No, it's not.
No.
Because what would the y-intercept be?
4.
It'd be 2. Negative 2.
Oh, the way they did it.
Oh, it'd be squared. So yeah, it would be 4.
Okay.
If you plug in 0 for x, it'd be 1 to the third.
Which is 1.
1. Negative 2 squared, which is positive 4, so it is right. I was trying to find one. There is no example where... But I kind of told you yesterday to put the multiplier in front to make the y-intercept correct.
Yeah.
Okay. So now what are your questions?
How do you find the y-intercept again?
Well, let's say...
Do the first one. The first one's like the best. Easiest one.
I'll just do like a simple example. Let's say that you have... Okay, let's say you have that.
I was shaking my head at this.
I know. What would the equation be? Very crude. What would the equation be? That's one of them, x minus 1. And?
X minus 4?
No, plus 4. Be like that, right?
Yeah.
But then, if you were to find the y-intercept, you plug in 0, so it'd be negative 1 times 4, which is negative 4.
Why'd you put negative?
Is the y-intercept negative 4?
Oh, no.
So you need to adjust your equation a little bit. How can you, what can you multiply that by to get negative 1?
1
over 4.
1/4. So if you just put a 1/4 in front of it,
Bam.
Works.
boom, it works.
You stop.
That's it. That's all that worksheet is. Oh, and then drawing your own, but just make sure if it's to the, or were there any to the third power?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, the last one.
36.
Well, I mean, no, it's, I mean, there's no like factors
Oh.
to the second
Yeah.
or third power. I gave you all easy ones. So none of those are going to bounce off or give a little shimmy. They're all just going to be straight through.
Is that the next term?
Give it a little shimmy, yeah, it's the math. It flattens out because it, yeah, approaches, yeah, whatever.
I think it's whoopty.
Whoop-de-woos are these. And then that gives a little shimmy and then it goes into a whoop-de-woo. That's how you know. Shimmy to a whoop.
Like you know it's a W.
Can you do that now?
Yes.
Finish? Okay.
It's
Monday we're going to go long division.
Oh, I like that.
Maybe.
I
Monday or
I
Tuesday.
slightly understand it.
What about
Is it like those
36?
kind?
Yeah. Have you
Yeah, those ones.
Long division. I think it's long division. Yeah.
What?
Good old long
I swear to
division.
God, you better not be kidding.
how do you
This will be checked on Monday, folks. Folks at home. There it is. There's the, you want a picture. If you don't have a copy. Everyone should have a copy. Boom, boom. Graph those. just sketches. 36, you're going to have to complete the square first. That's all I have to say about that. 10